Light Mag. 4.7 earthquake 8.2 kilometers south of Katihar, Bihar, India, on Wednesday, March 29, 2023 at 10:26 a.m. local time, according to the National Center for Seismology, reported, and its depth was recorded 108 kilometers. I felt this quake. The exact magnitude, epicenter, and depth of the quake might be revised within the next few hours or minutes as seismologists review data and refine their calculations, or as other agencies issue their report. Is 100 accurate? And do not forget to share our videos. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.